Good morning, Bios Cosmos Church. I'm in the children's section of the public library. You see the police action going on outside, right? So yesterday we spoke a lot about obedience to God as well as obedience to man. So as I make my way back to the church where my lesson plans are, I just want to say, how are you doing with that? Now you probably wonder why aren't I using my... Hold on a second. Hello, Bios Cosmos. Oh, it's quiet. Thank God. Because it was getting too loud, so I just had to call the pillagers. They know how to fix it. This is just a tour of the church. Bible study don't even start yet. So this is where the piano would be. This is where the organ would be. The other side is the same with drums, instruments. Those cats can get annoying. Drums and other instruments will go here. That's a choir stand. That's like your typical church. You don't want them inside the church. You don't want anybody in here unless it's a service. I noticed the population of villagers dramatically dropped. Now in here is an iron golem. You can hear the train from up here. The purpose of the iron golem is basically to protect the villagers while they're asleep. Now these are more cats. They're allowed up here because they're books, beds. But this is basically the homeless shelter at Gold City. The reason why this is called Gold City was because the train station was made out of gold on accident. So the name just stuck. Where we were just now is a public library. This is how big it is. That's a big public library. It's also a big church, but not as big as a public library. These are villagers' housing. Don't need you anymore. Yep, you have to kill the pillagers after you use them, or else they'll kill everybody. I'm sitting. I'm wondering why are they moving. I could tell they did a lesson in here today, because you see student seating, seats for the students. They all get their own little desk. This is also our exam room and detention room. So this is a schoolhouse and more personal lodging for the villagers who are staying on this mixed-use island. Each housing has their own unique color. Then when you're finished with school or with church, this is a train station. You get on the train and you could either go to Cosmos or Jacob's Well. How do you get to Cornelia Station? Well, you have to take the Jacob's Well train to King's Cross, transfer, and think eastbound. And then the end of the line temporarily is Cornelius. There should be another station coming up soon, but yeah. Oh yeah, fun fact, if you go to the back of the library, you can actually see the big city. It's only visible in the day though. So easy fix, just change the time of day and it'll be visible. You see that? That's the city. So you can actually see the city from here. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please stand by for Bible study at 6 o'clock this evening. Have a great day. You could go in there to worship, it's just that. You can't just go in there, keep opening, slamming my doors and doing whatever you want to do to the place. You can see the little tracks there. This library took up a whole entire island. Well, this is a piece of the island that was left, but we basically took it, built a big library. Here's a fish tank for the library. There's still a few pillagers out. We need to get them. So just in case I didn't kill any pillagers in this video. Wow, ow, 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 brow, brow. Wow. I don't want you to pillage. These cats are starting to get I like the real ones better.